Hello everyone, this laptop is Dell model Vostro 5470. Customer sends in with the broken hinge, just right here. You see, this middle piece is missing because it's broken. Maybe customer lost it. But we managed to glue the hinge and fix it without changing the case. If we need to change the case, there will be a lot of cost. Cover A, B, this is C, cover C and cover D. Need to change both cover. So the best way to fix it is just glue them and fairly cost. So right, that's it for today. See you next time. Peace.